just know that I'm okay. I wish you the best life if that's the case. Plus I needed time for myself anyway. I'm done with chasing, done wasting energy you can't replace. I'm over the pressure of doing things your way. When you left, that shit was hard, but it gave me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. Good morning, loves. It's around 7 a.m. in the morning. I'm about to join my prayers and do my morning routine. I'll be taking you guys along as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So it's a day in my life, so keep on watching. Hey guys, I just came back. I didn't take you guys along in buying the stuff I went to go and buy. Yeah, baby. I'll put it to sit. So just came back. So I'm going to show you guys the haul. What 10,000 naira can do for a family of 3. Say hello. Yeah, now I will show them. Okay. So please keep on watching. Thanks to God, I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys. So this is egg. Oh Jesus Christ. This is egg. I got Madame Caprison. She wants to drink it first. Oh yeah, shift inside. Pull. Nah. So let's unbox. This plantain is 1,000 naira. Potato is 2,000. This is 500. Tomato. Leave it. This is 2,000 naira potato. Mama. So I got some fruits. Mama. This cut fruit because this, the full one of this is 2K. Then orange. And here milk. Godimon, biscuits, Milo, biscuit. Leave that thing. Leave that thing. Here's our receipts. That's all I got, like just to restock little things I need in the house. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. I just want to tidy up this stuff, wash the dishes, and I don't know, maybe we'll go to the playground. I'll see how the weather is. It rained last night and a little bit this morning, so Mama wants to go and play. So I'll see if we're going to go outside or not. If we're going outside, I'll take you guys along. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm not using my external microphone, so yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next clip.
When you said you was leaving, that was just what I needed. All the weight I carried on my shoulders when you was around. 'Cause maybe I feel like I'm not ready to change me, and you can't save me. With you, I don't feel like myself at all. Now that we started, you feel it's disregarded. Oh, I'll be me regardless. Look what you done started, and now that it's over, feel like I'm one step closer. Oh, time has been right in front of me. When you said you was leaving, that was
So guys, right now I'm just washing the dishes. Okay, we had breakfast and I did not wash the dishes after the breakfast because I don't want to go out when the sun is so hot to get those little haul that you all saw. So right now I'm just washing the dishes, and PS there's no light, so that's why there's no light at the background. Yeah, so I'm just going to be rinsing, washing, and yeah, I'll also be slicing the fruit as well. I'm trying to incorporate fruit in our lifestyle right now. Yeah, so I got this sliced watermelon because to get a big bunch of watermelon is like 2,000 naira thereabout, something before you can get a big bunch of watermelon for 500 naira. I don't know where this country Nigeria is going to, but we move, and I pray for every family out there. God bless you in all you do, that you'll be able to afford to eat 3 square meal in a day. Yeah, God bless everyone out there. So let me just chop my watermelon, and this vlog is going to be also what we eat in a day. Yeah, kind of vlog. So I hope you enjoyed this video, so please keep on watching, guys.
Trying to feel anything, then I see you over there smiling, and it all comes back, it's rushing in. I've been trying to find my nerve endings. Won't you come on over later and we smile? Time, is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine?
So guys, I'm done. We'll go outside in the evening because sun has come outside. So in the evening, we'll go and take a stroll. Toddlers advice. In the evening, we're gonna take a stroll. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you watched it this extent. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm not using my external mic here. So that's it. So that is the update for now. Anything that comes along, I will take you guys with me. So keep on watching.
Have you got something to say now? 'Cause I've been holding my breath. I've got a bad habit of talking too much, and it usually ends in regret. But then I see you over there dancing, and it all slows down, I'm rushing in now.
Get help, I'm not the help. Thank you. See my house. Mia has scattered everything. See, scatter. If na get help for us, I'm not the help. Thank you, because you go arrange your picking go scatter. But if you get help for us, now your help go to arrange on this. You will not be having mental. You will not be shouting. Don't scatter it. Don't do this. And be doing repeating. I get help for us. I'm not tell them na help. Thank you, because it's not easy. So guys, I want to clean the house, like sweep a little bit. I've swept this house earlier in the morning before we went to go get things. So I'm going to sweep it again because after the whole unboxing and all, everywhere is already dirty, as you guys can see from the floor. Yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. My daughter just playing around. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't mind me ranting in the previous clip. Oh. Toddlers are handful. I love motherhood. Motherhood is very, very fun. Like nobody told me all this one. So I was thinking, just give birth and that's it. Not knowing that there's a lot of work when it comes to taking care of another human being than yourself. Mothers, our mothers that have plenty children, they are trying because I wonder how they did it in the olden days. So guys, I just finished my workout. Just be drinking water. So I'll go shower. Yeah guys, so I'll see you guys in the next clip, okay? Let me go and bath. So guys, I'm done having my bath and it's around 4 p.m. because I ate my lunch before I did my workout. I've learned how to eat before I do my workout. I have more strength in doing workout. So right now I'm just doing like a little snacks for me and baby girl because we want to watch some movies and just relax for a while before I make dinner for hubby and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This is just a day in my life. I'm trying to make it fun for baby girl. Let's not be only about cleaning house and the rest for her. Sometimes I just want to chill and relax with her so it'll be fun for her being at home. Yeah, as she has not started school yet. Yeah, so this is why I'm just giving her a salty popcorn and some chocolate and water. This is what we're going to eat for our movie time. Yeah, we are watching some nice movie through my laptop. So join us and chill and relax.
And I've been trying to find the nerve endings. Won't you come on over later and waste all of my precious time? Is this what it looks like, honey? I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine? Won't you come on over later and waste my time? Won't you come on over later and waste all of my precious time? Is this what it looks like, honey? 'Cause I'm getting used to never getting over this. Won't you be my Valentine? Not just for February, but maybe my whole life. 'Cause won't you be my Valentine?
So loves, hubby is back home. It's around 6 p.m. He came back and he just said to give me some foot massage while I was cooking dinner for him already. I don't think I'll show you guys the dinner I cooked for him. Yeah, so that was how we spent our day. This movie I was watching was a 3 hours movie, and later on we went out to stroll and we call it a night. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.